Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we had discussed while loop. Now in this session, we will move to the do while loop. We already know the concept of loop, repeating some set of statements multiple number of times. That is called loop. Now, what is the main difference between while loop and do while loop? And before going to this one, what are the four necessary points you have to remember? Whatever the loop you have to consider, we have to remember 4 points. One is initialization, that is from which position we have to begin. Condition, that is where we are stopping. Now, body of the loop, the set of statements that are executed based on the condition, and then update. So the four compulsory points are these are. Depending upon the loop, the order of the points are changed. Suppose if you are considering the while loop, first initialization is performed, and then condition is checked, and then body of the statement, and then update. After this one, again, condition, update, body, condition, update, body, and so on. Coming to do while loop. Here, do while loop, what is the procedure? First, initialization is performed, and then the body of the statement is executed, and then update is performed, and finally, the condition is checked. Finally, the condition is checked. That means this do while is called exit control loop. Do while loop is called exit control loop. That is, it checks the condition at the time of exit. I will show you the syntax, then it is very easy. First to perform initialization, do. Here inside the do, we are writing the body of the statement, and then update, and the syntax is after closing of the loop, while of condition, compulsory ended with semicolon. What is the procedure? The first step is initialization. The second step is it executes the body without checking any condition. Without checking any condition. The next step is update and then checks the condition. If the condition is true, again executes from the body. Again executes from the body. Now what is the flowchart? The flowchart is same. Initialization, and then body of the loop, and then update, and then condition. Suppose here if the condition is true, again it starts execution from body. If the condition is false, for example, the next statement is some statement X, automatically moves to some statement X. Now, what is the main difference between while loop and do while loop? So the same thing, that is while is called entry control loop, do while is called exit control loop. The main difference is in the worst case, while loop is executed 0 times. While loop is executed 0 times. Why? Because, for example, I is equal to 10, while I less than or equal to some 5. Is the condition is true or false? The condition is false, so no body is executed. That is, in the worst case, while loop body is executed 0 number of times. But coming to do while, even though the condition is false, we are performing the operation. That is, at least one time the do while loop is executed. Do while loop executed at least one time. Suppose consider the same program what we discussed in do while. Sorry, what we discussed in while program. Int I is equal to 1, do printf percentage d comma I plus plus, while I less than or equal to 10. The same thing. What happens? First I is equal to 1, and then the value of 1 is printed, I plus plus, I value becomes 2, and then checks the condition, that is 2 less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Again move I value 2, here it is incremented 3, 3 less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Move to the next statement 3 and so on. Suppose one situation here I value is equal to 10, 10 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Whenever I value is equal to 11, the condition is failed, comes out of the loop. So the main difference is the while loop is executed 0 number of times, the do while loop is executed 1 number of time. In the next session, we will move to for loop. Thank you.